The rule of law. The idea of the rule of law can be traced back to at least the time of Aristotle. In more recent times, it is Albert V. Dicey who is credited with providing the logical foundation upon which the modern notion of the rule of law is based. Dicey summarized the rule of law under three main principles. Principle 1 concerned the rule of law and discretionary powers. No man could be punished or lawfully interfered by the authorities except for breaches of law. In other words, all government actions must be authorized by the law or government must act within its legal powers. In the judgment of Intick v. Carrington of 1765, where it shows the limitation to state power, it was held that there was no law supporting the issuance of warrant and invasion of Inrich's house. The warrant was, therefore, declared illegal and void. Principle 2 has the resounding title of equality before the law, which means, no man is above the law and everyone, regardless of rank, is subject to the ordinary laws of the land. This reflects the famous quote by Lord Denning, "Be you ever so high, the law is above you." In Goriot v. Union of Post Office Workers and Others, 1977. This held that the government and its officials should not have any special exemptions or protections from the law. Dicey claimed that every official is under the same responsibility for every act done without legal justification as any citizen. In M v. Home Office, 1994, it was held that the executive was not above the law and that the Secretary of State was not entitled to claim Crown immunity. Principle 3 concerns individual rights. There is no need for a Bill of Rights because the general principle of the Constitution is the result of judicial decisions determining the rights of the private person. The courts protect them in their decisions by developing the common law in a way that respects individual liberty. Parliament legislates on particular problems. In contrast, Bills of Rights are documents which promise all sorts of rights. These promises are so general and capable of so many meanings that they are meaningless. It is also important to note that the rule of law does not refer to any fundamental or superior law. The law referred to is the law as enacted by Parliament in the form of legislation and as applied by the courts in the form of the common law.